In the name of Allah, the most merciful and most gracious. Honorable President and my respected audience, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm here. In fact, we all are here for a suggestion, for a proposal, for a solution, for a recommendation, and for a promise. A promise that won't be an empty promise, a suggestion that isn't absurd, and the solution that isn't impossible. Yes, my lord, you are right. The suggestion, the solution, the promise, let's change Pakistan. Your Excellency, it seems that our entire nation is in a state of inertia from decades. Records and news of our success are now covered with dust, or it is more suitable to say that we are buried in snow. Your Honor, all of us have a big why in our minds. The reason, the answer to this big why is very simple. Your Honor, we have neglected our duties as citizens. We have quit our responsibilities as well-wishers. We have given up our motivation as leaders. We have avoided hard work as youth. We have lost courage and hope as a nation. So, Mr. President, this lack of sense of responsibility, this lack of motivation, this lack of hard work, this lack of hope and courage has pushed us into a mire of problems, into an age of despair, and into a state of lassitude. Your Excellency, in my opinion, the main culprit is our laziness and inactivity, which has given us a mindset of I can. But my lord, I believe the quotation from Mother Teresa is the pill that can cure the curse of I can't. She says, I alone cannot change the world, but I can cast a stone across the waters to create many ripples. This is the tool, this is the passion, this is the hope to defeat this apathy and change Pakistan. Change Pakistan with our hope, courage, hard work, motivation, and sense of responsibility. My lord, now it's time to wake up, it's time to work hard, it's time to do great, it's time to change our fate, it's time to change Pakistan. Your Highness, the snake which cannot cast its skin has to die. The same is the rule for nations. A nation that cannot change its mind, a nation that cannot change its behavior, a nation that cannot overcome its faults, a nation that cannot train its youth will always be in hot water. Your Excellency, if Europe can shine like a star on the map of the world with the light of advancement and progress after a long period of darkness, why not us? Why not our beloved Pakistan? My lord, as it is said that opportunity knocks at our door daily, so I completely reject the idea that an outcast will always be an outcast. Your Honor, as the poet mentioned that, if you think you will lose, you are lost. For out in the world you will find, success begins with a fellow's will. It's all in a state of mind. No doubt, my lord, no doubt. If we go for an extra mile, we can change Pakistan. We can change our fate by a strong will and a strong desire to change. We are the ones who will have to change Pakistan, so let's change Pakistan. Let's realize our goals, let's spot our weaknesses, let's find our aptitude and find our status and the world's nations. My lord, I will take my leave with this recapitulation and the words of Allama Iqbal. all life is but a constant passion to move, and in this journey, time is the highest place. Thank you all.